In order to export our videos so people who don't have Adobe Illustrator can see them, we need to go to File and Export. There's a couple of different ways you can do it. You can go save for web. So this is good if you're exporting your things that you want to be on a website and compressed to a very small format. Export as, we'll just do a simple export where you can select various different file types. For our use, we'll go export for screen. In this case, we can pick which artboards that we want. So if you had a file that had 5 or 6 artboards, you could simply just check the artboards. You could state the range you wanted them. You can just say the full document. In addition, you can also say if you want it scaled, so if you wanted them super big or super small. In this case, we are just exporting as a JPEG. We're trying to keep our file sizes small. Sometimes PNG is a better solution. And then we also want to tell the computer where we want this to be exported to. So you might want to pick your actual H drive. For this case, I'm just going to put it to the desktop on my computer and then click Export Artboard. And then as you'll notice, it's pulled up my desktop. I can simply organize it by date. And we can see the artboard that I've exported.